Welcome. Today, let's unravel the mystery of paths in Ansible. Ever had a command fail because of a pesky space in a file path? You're not alone. We'll explore why spaces can cause chaos and how you can handle them like a pro. By the end, you'll navigate file paths effortlessly. No more frustrating errors. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Oh, spaces in file paths, our favorite villains. They break commands, ruin scripts, and make life difficult. A misplaced space, and your automation grinds to a halt. But don't worry. We're about to turn you into a path handling ninja. Stick around. Ever tried putting your paths in quotes? It's like wrapping fragile items before shipping. Keeps everything intact. Quoting ensures the spaces don't mess up your commands. Simple yet powerful. Let's see how different types of quotes come to our rescue. Backslashes, the unsung heroes of path handling. Escaping spaces is another trick to keep paths behaving. Imagine telling a stubborn computer, "No, this space belongs here." A backslash does just that. Let's explore how it works. Ever heard of automation magic? That's exactly what Ansible Variables bring to path handling. Rather than hard-coding paths that might change, using variables makes scripts clean and adaptable. A small change, a big impact. Windows loves spaces in paths. It's practically a tradition, but it also makes handling them tricky. Should you use quotes? Should you escape them? We'll break it down so your Ansible scripts run smoothly on Windows too. Windows has its own set of quirks, but fear not, Ansible has special modules to manage commands efficiently. These modules keep paths working perfectly. Let's take a closer look at how they simplify automation. Best practices aren't just fancy words. They save you from frustration. A little effort up front means fewer errors later. Always validate paths. Use variables and test across different platforms. A smooth automation journey awaits. Let's start with path formatting done right. Always go absolute. Relative paths can be sneaky. Stick to directory norms. No wild experiments. Case sensitivity can trip you up, especially on Linux. And special characters. They're like ticking time bombs in file paths. Trust me, avoiding them saves many headaches. Mistakes. Everyone makes them. Forgetting escape characters for spaces. Been there. Case mismatches. You wouldn't believe how often that happens. And broken symbolic links. Like stumbling on an invisible step. Painful. But hey, knowing the pitfalls is half the battle won. Ansible templates, your best friend for automation. Define paths smartly, so you aren't reinventing the wheel. Variables add magic, making things dynamic. Structure matters. No one likes messy templates. And always validate paths, unless you enjoy debugging for hours. Spaces in Linux paths are like speed bumps. Annoying but manageable. Escape characters are your safety net. Quoting paths saves you from chaos. Environment variables. Super handy. But the best trick, just avoid spaces if you can. Future you will thank present you. Security matters. Directory traversal attacks can be nasty. Never let paths expose system secrets. Permissions. Get them right, or prepare for trouble. And please, sanitize user inputs. Unless you enjoy hackers having a field day in your system. Time for the pro moves. Symbolic links. Use them wisely. They're like shortcuts in a maze. Path variables. They boost flexibility. Automation saves time. And who doesn't love efficiency? Nail this, and you're officially a path management wizard. We've covered a lot. Keep paths structured, errors in check, and automation in play. Most importantly, never compromise on security. And hey, if things get messy, just take a deep breath. File paths may be tricky, but you've got this. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.